Welcome to step 1, which is opening up your Forex account. Before we click on the button to open up your Forex account, I need to explain to you that you're going to be leaving this website, but you need to come back to this website once you click on the button to follow the steps on how to open your Forex account. So this video is going to explain to you how to open your Forex account, and I'm going to be giving you step-by-step instructions. So when I say to pause the video, please pause the video. You need to do the steps and then come back to this video, then unpause the video and continue with the next step and continue with that process until you've opened your account is verified, and then after that you can come back and click on step 2, which is the most important section, which is to obviously send us your cent account number so that we can help you and assist you and then educate you on how to read a Forex chart. Right, so let's get started. So the first step that you need to do is that you're going to click on this button, and when you do, a new browser is going to open and you're going to be taken away from my website onto the new browser to follow and to create your cent account. So please pause the video. Please go and click on that button now. Once done, you can come back to this browser and then continue with this video. Now that you've clicked the button, and we're back on our video, you can go back to that browser and then choose the country that you live in. I live in South Africa. We can just put in there South and it'll come up. Please click on the confirm button. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to fill in your full name and your email address. Please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to click on the register button. You can pause the video, go and do that step. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now, the next step is very important. You need to save this password. You need to copy it and then WhatsApp it to yourself or save it in a document. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to choose a new password for yourself, and you need to follow the instructions of exactly what it's asking you to do here, or you can use the password that you were given. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to confirm your email address and make sure that you have clicked on that link that has been emailed to you. So what you need to do is you need to go to your email account now, find the email, and then click on the link in the email. Here's my email, and then I'll just click on that link now. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now that you've clicked on it, it should say proceed, and then you can click on the proceed button. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to click on MT4. I prefer to trade on MT4. You can choose MT5 if you want to, but I prefer MetaTrader 4, and then you can leave the leverage as is, and then you can leave the account as US dollars. It means that when you deposit your funds from your country, your funds are going to be converted from your currency into US dollars, and then you can click on open account. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to now verify your account. So you need to put your date of birth and your country. So I'm going to do that now, and then you can click on the save button. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now you can see here that you have created a cent account, and it's in MetaTrader 4, which is fantastic. Now it says here pass full verification. So you will not be able to deposit or withdraw money without you verifying your account. So you need to verify your account now. So please click on the get verified button now. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to click on I consent to the processing of my personal data. So please click on the continue button now. Go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now over here, you can either use your identity card, your green booklet, or your passport. It's up to you what you choose. please make sure that when you take the photo of your passport or your ID card, that your flash is off, the lighting is good, and there is no reflection or blurriness on the picture. So you need to use a fairly good camera to be able to do this and to be able to get the picture to look exactly the way they want to do that. So please go and do those steps now. Please go and take a photo now, and then once you've got that, you can then upload it onto this website. So I've already done that step, and you'll have to do that step on your own now. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Now your account should be verified. The amazing part is that FBS has made it very easy for you. You can say continue with phone. If you click it, you can just open up your phone camera, scan this picture, just focus your camera on this picture, scan the QR code, a little yellow icon will appear, and you'll need to click on that icon, and then this exact screen will open up on your phone, and you can start verifying your account. So please pause the video, go and verify your account now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. Or you can just copy this and then paste it into your URL on once you've verified, that message will disappear at the top here, and then if you go to your profile, you click on your profile, it will say there that your account is verified, and there won't be any messages for you to verify. So well done, congratulations. The next step now is to take this cent account that you created, and you need to then on my website, go to step number 2, fill in your information, and then paste your cent account number there. So please pause the video. Please go and do those steps now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. And then, of course, you need to click on the submit button. Now you are ready for the next steps, which is to fund your account and start learning how to trade properly, like the professionals, like the institutions. So after you've clicked the submit button, Martin or myself or one of my admin staff will get hold of you, and they will assist you in depositing funds into your account and then educating you on how to read a Forex chart. So well done, good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next videos. Cheers.